Heavy-duty brush cutter installation instructions for most straight shaft trimmers. First, use a small screwdriver to lock for rotation by inserting into the hole in your trimmer. While holding the screwdriver in place, unscrew the original head and remove. If your trimmer does not have a hole to lock for rotation, you may use pliers instead. For this type of trimmer, we will use a mounting nut. Identify which mounting nut in the adapter kit fits on your trimmer. You may have to try several as they are all different sizes. Once you have identified the correct mounting nut that fits your trimmer, you will need to insert it, small end first, into the cavity of the brush cutter head. Lastly, while holding the nut in place with your fingers, hand tighten the brush cutter head onto your trimmer. Replacing the blades on the heavy-duty brush cutter. Please note that the blades must be changed when starting to bend. Do not attempt to straighten the blades after they are bent. First, you must remove the brush cutter head from your trimmer. Next, pull apart the upper and lower housing of the brush cutter head. Remove the 3 used blades from the pegs inside the brush cutter head. Next, place new blades onto the 3 pegs. Replace the upper housing and snap into place. You may now reattach the heavy-duty brush cutter head to your trimmer. Please be sure to read and follow all product and manufacturer safety instructions before operating your trimmer. Need further assistance? Call 866-212-7466.